So let's discuss a problem from GATE 2021 physics. So this is related to the classical mechanics and and it is related to the topic number of degrees of freedom. So a hoop of mass capital M. So this is the hoop and it is of mass capital M, radius capital R. So here you can see the radius is R, capital R, rolls without slipping along a straight line. So this is very important here. So we need to keep an eye on this because this gives us information about degrees of freedom. So rolls without slipping along a straight line on a horizontal surface as shown. So it is just moving smoothly like this. So it is not just slipping, that means up and down like that. If it gets slipped, so slightly there would be some upward and downward vibration like that. So but it is moving smoothly, so that's why. So it is really important for finding degrees of freedom, this point. So horizontal surface, a point mass m slides without friction along the inner surface of the hoop. So here we can see a point mass, so it is of mass small m and it is sliding, that means moving like this, so without friction along the inner surface of the hoop. So there is no friction. So if it so this is also important point here. So they are saying without friction, so make inner surface of the hoop performing small oscillations without friction. Friction is very important. That means it would just move smoothly like this. If there were a friction, so it would be opposed and there could be some upward motion also because of that opposing force, sudden opposition. So there is no friction, they are saying. So there is just a smooth movement of this mass, that is this mass is just moving smoothly. This is just performing simple harmonic oscillations, that is small oscillations. Now we need to find the number of degrees of freedom of the system. So for this system we just needed to find the number of degrees of freedom. So logically thinking, so if we solve this if we tend to solve this question in a logical manner, so simply we would get, so if we are standing here, suppose we are standing here, we or you, if you are standing here, suppose, so and this is the rough surface. If we just extend this rough surface like this, so until here, so now at this present time it is here. So as time passes by, it would come here. So this sphere would come here as time passes by with a smooth motion, and this small mass which is inside here, so it would be performing simple harmonic motion. So it might be residing over here or here or here, so it depends. So now let us suppose it's residing over here, for example, suppose, so at a given time. So degrees of freedom, we use that just to define a specific state of a system. So this is a complete system. So now, so for defining specific state of this system, so what we need here, so at this time it is at certain distance from you, so some a1 distance from you, and this is at the mean position. This particle is at the mean position. So after certain time it is at a2 distance from you. So it is at a2 distance from you, and it is somewhat away from the mean position. So actually this is mean position, but it is somewhat residing somewhat away in this. So here, so in order to define this particular system, so what we need, so how much distance is it from us at a given time. So that one plus how much angle is this making, that means it is making small simple harmonic oscillations. So how much at what angle is this small mass. So for the bigger mass we need require how much distance it is from us, and so on the smaller mass overall this how much, so how much angle it is changing, so whether this much angle or this much. So these two are enough to define this particular system. So logically thinking, so answer for this question is 2 degrees of freedom. So this is the solution. So thank you.